Welcome back to the America Best Appliances channel. We bring you the best info on home appliances. Visit our website at americabestappliances.com for all your appliances needs. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to our channel. Should you replace your appliances during your kitchen remodel? If you are planning on remodeling your kitchen, it is important to think about replacing the appliances when you do so. There are many reasons why you should replace your appliances during your kitchen remodel. Some of the reasons are that you want to upgrade, you have new flooring, or the appliances are no longer in production. The decision to replace your appliances is important, and it should be made based on careful consideration of the pros and cons. Latest features. When it comes to kitchen appliances, the latest ones have a lot of features. They have many functions that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The latest kitchen appliances are the smart ones that can cook even without human input. With these appliances, you can monitor your food and keep a tab on what's happening in your food while you're not around. These gadgets also offer a lot of features, such as Bluetooth connectivity and wireless charging. Latest kitchen appliances with many features are becoming more popular than ever before with their innovative features such as voice, activated technology, digital apps, and automated cooking option. Energy efficient. Nowadays, there are so many appliances that can help you save your energy. The latest kitchen appliances are more efficient with their energy usage, and they are available in a range of prices. A whole range of appliances can help you save your energy in the kitchen, including dishwashers, ovens, microwaves, and refrigerators. These appliances have been developed to cater for all types of needs, from large families to small households. Some of the most energy-efficient appliances include induction cooktops, steam ovens, and dishwashers. Sell or recycle old latest kitchen appliances after you purchase a new appliance. It is not unusual to find that you have to sell your old one before the new one arrives. Whether you need to get rid of your old fridge or washing machine, selling your appliances can be a hassle when you purchase a new one. Thankfully, companies are now buying back your old appliances for cash. These companies will buy them from you and then refurbish them before reselling them. This means that you can get rid of an appliance without having to worry about getting rid of it in the right way. The more people are buying these services, the more likely it is that large companies will start offering this service as well so that they can save on costs and make some extra money in the process. The idea of selling your old appliance and getting a new one for free is an economic incentive and a way to make the environment better. Hello there. We were glad to spend some time with you today. Now it's your turn to tell us whether you will upgrade your appliances during your next home renovation. Reply in the comments section. Thank you for watching the America Best Appliances channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Again, visit americabestappliances.com for all your home appliances needs.